The Little Book of Common Sense Investing is a book written by John C. Bogle, the founder of the Vanguard Group, one of the largest mutual fund companies in the world. The book was published in 2007 and has since become a classic in the world of investing. It is a guide to investing that is based on the principles of passive investing, which is a strategy that involves investing in low-cost index funds and holding them for the long term. The book begins by discussing the history of the stock market and the various factors that have contributed to its volatility over the years. Bogle argues that investors should not try to time the market or pick individual stocks, but rather should focus on building a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. Bogle then goes on to explain the concept of indexing, which involves investing in a broad market index such as the S&P 500. He argues that this is a more effective strategy than trying to pick individual stocks, as it allows investors to capture the returns of the overall market without the risk of underperforming. One of the key principles of the book is the importance of keeping costs low. Bogle argues that high fees and expenses can eat away at an investor's returns over time, and that investors should focus on finding low-cost index funds that provide broad market exposure. Bogle also emphasizes the importance of staying the course and maintaining a long-term perspective. He argues that investors should not panic during market downturns, but rather should stay invested and ride out the ups and downs of the market over time. Overall, the Little Book of Common Sense Investing is a valuable resource for anyone who is interested in investing. It provides a clear and concise overview of the principles of passive investing and offers practical advice for building a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, this book is a must read for anyone who wants to make the most of their investments over the long term.